Hello guys, for today's videos, ayan, magagawa ko ng banana pancake. Ayan guys, I have already banana. Overripe na to guys. Kaya ginawa ko kasi kaysa matapon. Kaya ginawa ko na lang siyang banana cake. Pancake pala. Ayan, tapos instead of water, lagyan ko ng milk kasi mas masarap ang milk. Mas masarap ang milk. Ayan. I put the flour. Ganito ng konting flour. Ayan. Mix naman natin siya. I-mix natin. Also, 1 egg. Ayan guys. Ayan natin ng egg. And then, mas